Hi, I'm Aaron Murch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 qualities for a perfect e-commerce product. It might seem like it goes without saying, but your product needs to be high margin to sustain the expenses of your online store. You've got all kinds of costs to consider, from monthly subscription fees, to shipping costs, to the time you invest in managing the store itself. A high margin product will give you the room you need to turn a profit on your online store instead of seeing your monthly revenue disappear into your ongoing expenses. Another key feature of an ideal e-commerce product is low weight. Shipping expenses are one of the biggest barriers to selling online, meaning that the best e-commerce products are low weight and small in size. Some perfect examples of products that meet these criteria include sunglasses or jewelry, which are both high value, light, and small enough to ship effectively. Another key feature of an awesome e-commerce product is durability. You want to make sure your product is easy to ship safely without too much packaging that can increase your shipping weight. At the same time, a durable product will decrease the number of returns you have to contend with due to products damaged during shipping. Another important feature of the best e-commerce products is that they are highly Instagrammable. You want your product to be easy and enticing for your customers to show off, increasing your earned media and driving organic traffic. Another key feature of the best e-commerce products is that they're consumable. If your customers come back to your store over and over again to purchase your products repeatedly, that's a fantastic way to build a sustainable business model around your online store. So there you have it. If you followed along with this entire video, you now know 5 common features of the top e-commerce products.